Let me show you how to sign a document online. For example, now let's assume they send you a document that you need to like sign and then scan it and send it back to them. You know, the normal traditional way is to like print it out, sign with pen and send it back. This era, you don't need to do that again. So let's go. Here is a PDF document I need to sign. You can see it. I need to sign it and date it. So just go to your browser, go to this website, smallpdf.com/sign-pdf. Okay. And you are going to see the upload. Choose the file. Go and upload the PDF document that you want to sign. My own is contract agreement. So I will click on it to select it and it will upload. You can see it have upload. You can see at the top there, we have these four options. There is signature, there is text, there is date. So click on the signature, which that is the first one toward the right hand side. You add signature. And then this one pop it out for you to use your finger now to draw on the screen your signature. So I will do mine, and I use my finger to draw on the screen. I'm using mobile phone. So after then, I will now click on create. So this one we process it and then add the signature to the document. You see it. So add signature. I will click on that. It have add the signature. I can change the color. This is black. I will change it now to blue. You see it. So the same thing, I want to add a date to it. So it's sign and date. So I click on the date and I see it. I drag it down, change the color of the date too. At the end of it, so just click finish signing. After you have finished your date and this and this, it's processing and successful. So download. I will now click on it to download the document. The document have download now. You can see my signature there and the dates. Everything is well written, simple as ABC. Check the comment section for the link. Like, follow, and share with your friend. Keep learning.